Adjacent to the family room, the formal dining room, and before you even step inside, the home makes a statement. You enter through this corridor framed by two massive fluted onyx columns, with a large open gas fireplace burning right beside you, flames low, steady, and warm, set into a raised circular limestone platform. Most homes hide their fireplace inside the room. Rafali placed it at the entrance because in this home, the welcome itself is an experience. Now step inside and look at that table. A large elongated oval in warm walnut, set with black charger plates, crystal stemware, fresh florals, and a tall silver candelabra center. Running the full length of one side, a continuous curved cream leather banquette, custom built to follow the arc of the room. On the other side, individual Plattner style wicker and cream chairs. This table seats 14 to 16 people comfortably. And look above, not one, but two custom crystal chandeliers hanging the full length of this room. A traditional tiered candle arm chandelier and a sculptural starburst piece. Both lit, both extraordinary. On the left wall, a full floor-to-ceiling temperature-controlled wine cellar. Hundreds of bottles stored behind bronze-framed glass doors, lit with warm amber interior light. Every bottle accessible, every selection curated. And on the opposite wall, a floor-to-ceiling fish tank, which we will get into. The entire right side of this dining room is open to the outside. The palms, the water, the Miami sky. So you sit at this table with a fireplace behind you, a fish tank in front of you, a world-class wine collection to your left, and Biscayne Bay to your right. That is not a dinner, that is an event. And we are still not done. The wellness wing, the private cinema, and that hidden library passageway are still waiting. Let's keep going.